Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQs of 29th of June. But before we begin, quiz. In this slide, all the 5 questions are from obituaries. Rajkumar Keshwani, who passed away, was a renowned who? O.P. Bharadwaj, who passed away, was the India's first Dronachari Awardee coach of which sport? Yon Longping, who passed away, was known as the father of hybrid rice. Hybrid rice is of which country? Eric Carle, who passed away, was a renowned who? Veer Chakrawadi Punjab Singh, who passed away, was known for his which role in which of the following battles? Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of Bharat Petroleum Corporation? Government of which country has signed an MOU with UNDP, have partnered to provide oxygen generation plants to northeast states of India? UNDP, whose headquarters is in New York, has partnered with which country? Online investment platform Grew has announced to acquire which mutual fund for rupees 175 crore? Which e-commerce company has launched Sanjeevani to connect COVID-19 patients with potential plasma donors? Which NBFC has announced to its collaboration with FinTech Nira to offer personal loans up to 1 lakh rupees for salaried customers? So these were some of the quiz questions from the month of May, and let's discuss the answers. Rajkumar Keshwani was a journalist. Passed away recently. O.P. Bharadwaj was the India's first Dronachari Awardee coach, and he is related to boxing. Yon Longping, just seeing by name, you can identify the country China. He is from China, the father of hybrid rice. Eric Carle, he was an author. Veer Chakrawadi Punjab Singh, who passed away for Battle of Punj. Who is the chairman and MD of Bharat Petroleum? Arun Kumar Singh. Which country has partnered with UNDP? It's Japan. Capital Tokyo. Online investment platform Grew has partnered with Indiabulls Mutual Fund. Which e-commerce has launched Sanjeevani? It's Snapdeal. Has launched Sanjeevani. Muthoot Finance. This is Muthoot Finance Limited has announced its collaboration with FinTech Nira to offer personal loans of up to 1 lakh rupees. So these were some of the quiz questions, and let's discuss our today's current affairs. Binogno Aquino, who passed away, was a former president of which country? So he was the former president of Philippines. Philippines capital is Manila, and we have the headquarters of ADB here, Asian Development Bank, which is based in Philippines, Manila. And who is the current president? His name is Rodrigo Duterte. Is the present president of Philippines. And what is the currency? Currency of Philippines is peso. Yellowstone National Park, which is under the threat from global heating, is located in which country? So this is from USA. This is from America. And who is the president of USA? Joe Biden. Is the president of USA. And who is the vice president? Kamala Harris. Remember, There is one person named Hunter Biden. Hunter Biden. Who is he? He is the son of Joe Biden and he has written one book, Beautiful Things. The book name is Beautiful Things. This book has been written by Hunter Biden, who is the son of Joe Biden. And Joe Biden is the 46th president and Kamala Harris is the 49th vice president of USA. June 25, 2021 marks the which anniversary of emergency imposed by former PM Indira Gandhi. So it was the 46th. It was the 46th anniversary of former PM, former Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi, late Indira Gandhi. Niti Aayog recently organized a national convention on prevention of maternal, adolescent and childhood under whose chairmanship. So this is VK Paul. So under VK Paul, the Niti Aayog has organized the national convention on provision of maternal, adolescent and childhood. Who is the chairman of Niti Aayog? Chairman is always the Prime Minister of India. Who is the Vice President? Vice Chairman is Rajiv Kumar. And Niti Aayog has released one report recently. The name is Sustainable Development Goal Index. In this, Kerala has topped, and it was the third edition. Remember one more. Who is the CEO? Amitabh Kant. Which state recently has decided to make over to the Jog Falls and it will spend 185 crores for the same. So Jog Falls are in the state of Karnataka. Who is the Chief Minister? B.S. Yediyurappa. And remember some of the national parks of Karnataka. There is Bandipur, Bannerghatta, Kudremukh, Anshi, Nagarhole. These are the national parks of Karnataka. And Hasaraghatta, remember one more. Hasaraghatta Valley. It was in news recently, which is in the state of Karnataka. And remember Hebbal project of Bangalore in Karnataka. It was also in news. Hebbal project. Corbett and Rajaji Tiger Reserve are in news. Are located in which state? So this is in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand has the national parks like Jim Corbett, which is the India's first national park of India, which was established in 1936. We have Nanda Devi. We have Rajaji National Park. Then Govind National Park. And Valley of Flowers. So you can remember these national parks. And recently Uttarakhand police has launched Mission Hausla. And in Uttarakhand we have the Chota Char Dham Yatra consists of Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath, Badrinath. Chota Char Dham, which has been suspended recently due to the COVID, and it consists of Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath and Badrinath. And who is the Chief Minister? Tirath Singh Rawat is the Chief Minister. And who is the Governor? Governor is Baby Rani Maurya. Baby Rani. And who is the Chief Justice of Uttarakhand High Court? He has been recently appointed. His name is Raghavendra Singh Chauhan. Raghavendra Singh Chauhan. So remember all these things about Uttarakhand. Who has been appointed as the acting Central Vigilance Commissioner? So he is Suresh Patel. So Suresh Patel has been appointed as the acting Central Vigilance Commissioner. Indian Air Force and Indian Navy recently conducted two-day exercise with Navy of USA. At which place? So this has been held in Indian Ocean. In Indian Ocean, Indian Air Force and Indian Navy recently conducted two-day exercise with navies of USA at Indian Ocean. Kerala government has constituted a committee under whose chairmanship to look after the safety of fisheries. So this is P. Sahadevan. P. Sahadevan has constituted this committee under the chairmanship by the Kerala government. Kerala government has launched recently Snakepedia. Who is the Chief Minister? Pinari Vijayan. Governor Arif Muhammad Khan. Don't confuse this name Arif Muhammad Khan with Arif Alvi. Arif Alvi is the President of Pakistan. Who is the Ministry of Fisheries, Dairies? His name is Giriraj Singh. Giriraj Singh is the Minister for Fisheries, Dairies, all these things. And Governor is completed. Who is the Chief Justice of Kerala? Chief Justice is S. Manikumar. Yes, Manikumar is the Chief Justice of Kerala High Court. And remember the name P. Sahadevan. P. Sahadevan. A crucial endangered rare breaking deer giant was recently spotted in Virachi National Park of which country? In Virachi National Park. This is located in Cambodia. What is the capital of Cambodia? Phnom Penh. And who is India's ambassador to Cambodia? The name is Dr. Devani Khogade. Dr. Devani Khogade is India's ambassador to Cambodia. And what is the capital? This is important. Phnom Penh. Phnom Penh is the capital. Which state has signed an agreement with World Food Programme to improve the households' food and nutritional securities of the state? So this is Odisha. Odisha government has signed an agreement with the World Food Programme to improve the households of food and nutritional securities in the state. And if you talk about Odisha has the Simlipal biosphere. It was the first Simlipal biosphere of Odisha, and recently second biosphere of Odisha has been proposed. It is Mahendragiri, and Talcher thermal power plant has been shut down recently. Talcher thermal power plant has been shut down. And if you talk about Food Organization, FAO's headquarters is in Rome, Italy. Rome is in Italy, capital of Italy. And who is India's ambassador to Italy? Dr. Nina Malhotra. Dr. Nina Malhotra is India's ambassador to Italy. Who's in Italy? We have the headquarters of FAO. So, and if we talk about Odisha, who is the Chief Minister? Naveen Patnaik. And who is the governor? Governor is Ganeshi Lal. Ganeshi Lal is the governor. And what is the capital? Bhubaneswar. We have the Rourkela Stadium here. Rourkela Stadium, hockey stadium. It is a hockey stadium in Rourkela. So remember these points about Odisha. Which bank has launched pay your contact feature for its customer? So this is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank has launched the pay your contact feature. Pay your contact feature. Where is the headquarters of Kotak Mahindra Bank? It is in Mumbai. It is in Mumbai. ICICI Bank also headquartered in Mumbai, HDFC headquartered in Mumbai, and Axis Bank headquarters also in Mumbai. Who announced 6.28 lakh crore stimulus package aiming to boost COVID affected sectors? Aim for the boosting COVID affected sector. So this much amount has been announced by our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, and recently she has launched a scheme. Recently, the scheme name is Amnesty. Amnesty scheme. Amnesty scheme recently launched by our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. So these were the current affairs of 29th of June. See you on 30th of June.